A very good morning to all. So today we have to move to one more cell organelles in the cell biology, that is the lysosome. Okay, in that we have to study the introduction, definition, history, origin, occurrence, structure, polymorphism, function. So all bits we have to study in the lysosome. So what do you know regarding the lysosome? What we commonly called? So lysosomes are the spherical organelle that contain enzyme acid hydrolysis. Okay, these are also one of the spherical cell organelles present in the cytoplasm of the all eukaryotic animals and contains the enzymes known as the acid hydrolysis. They break up food, so it is easier to digest. Lysosome plays an important role for the digestion of the food. They are found in animal cells, while in yeast and plants the same roles are performed by lytic vacuoles. Okay, instead of lysosome in plant cell, vacuoles are present. In case of the animals, lysosomes are present. In case of the plant, vacuoles are present. So first time the lysosome were discovered by the scientist known as the Christian de Duve. He was the scientist first time described the lysosome cell organelles, and he called as the lysosomes are nothing but the suicide bags, or he called it is nothing but suicide sacs. Okay, because these contains the hydrolysis enzyme, that's why it even eats the other cell organelles and breaks up the food molecule. So it eats the worn out cells and even cell organelles, that's why we called as it is the suicide sac. Where it is originated? Lysosomes may originated from the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi membrane from the process of budding off. So actually Golgi complex and the endoplasmic reticulum are present in the cytoplasm. From that it is originated. Outer membrane of the Golgi complex and the endoplasmic reticulum, the bud off will be takes place, that is nothing but the lysosomes. Okay. So this is the actual structure of the lysosome. Hydrolytic enzymes present within the lysosome. So the plasma membrane outermost layer, lipid bilayer. So that we call as anatomy of the lysosome. When you take the section, you can able to see the structure will be like this. So prokaryotes do not have lysosome. Understood? But some hydrolysis have been located outside the cell. Prokaryotic doesn't contain the lysosome. All eukaryotic cell have the lysosome. So lysosome found in the higher animals. So these we called as the globular and range in diameter from the 0.2 to 0.8 micron. These are too much small, you can able to see under the electron microscope. So the diameter of this organelle is nothing but 2 to 8 micron. 0.2 to 8. Under the electron microscope, the lysosome appear dense. So when you see under the electron microscope, it will be appears as a dense, finely granular structure. Lysosome is essentially a sphere of lipoprotein membrane containing enzymes. So the membrane of the lysosome is made up of the phospholipid and even lipoprotein. The membrane insulates the enzyme from the rest of the cell. If the enzymes are released, they can digest the cell, and hence lysosomes are sometimes called suicide bag. So these lysosomes enzymes present in the lysosome will be digest the other cell organelles and even cell. That's why it is suicide bags. So lysosomal membrane. Lysosomes are bounded by a single lipoprotein membrane. So only ribosomes doesn't possess the membrane. Even all cell organelles have the membrane bound. Okay. So the lysosome also have the single membrane that is made up of from the lipoprotein. The membrane is impermeable to substrates of the enzymes contained in the lysosome. The membrane of the lysosome contains the enzymes. That's why it is impermeable in nature. Not any other molecules or particles will be enters within the lysosome. Only some selected particles or the molecules will be enters the lysosome and digestion will be occurs. Certain substances called labilizer caused instability of the lysosomal membrane. Some substances are there, those we called as the labilizer. Those will be cause the instability of the lysosomal membrane, leading to release of enzyme from the lysosome. So those substance will be act as a means those will be make instability of the lysosomal membrane. So the enzymes present in the membrane that will be immediately released. Other substances called stabilizer have a stabilizing action on the membrane. Some are the labilizer, some are the stabilizer. Labilizer which makes the means inactivity of the membrane of the lysosome. Stabilizer makes the more activity of the lysosomes here. So compound having a molecular weight higher than 200 do not diffuse through the membrane. If the molecular weight is higher, then it will not enter in the membrane of the lysosome or within the lysosome. Okay. So this is the actual structure of the lysosome. Golgi apparatus is there or endoplasmic reticulum is there. From that it will be originated. Primary lysosome and the fusion forms secondary lysosome. Firstly, the lysosome will be originated from the Golgi membrane, then it forms the primary lysosome. When the primary lysosome eats the other molecule or other particles, then it is the secondary lysosome. Or when it will be fuse other molecule, then it will be secondary lysosome. Then lysosome contains the different types of the enzymes. So which are those enzymes? Those nothing but the nucleases, phosphatase, lipases, proteases, glycosides, sulfatases. All these we called as the enzymes present in the lysosome contains all these enzymes. Nucleases, which include ribonuclease and deoxyribonuclease, break down the polynucleotide into nitrogen-based phosphatase and pentose sugar. Means this enzyme will be helpful for the breaking down of the DNA. DNA contains the phosphatase, nitrogen-based sugars, pentose sugars. So breaking down of all these particles takes place with the help of enzyme nuclease. Phosphatases, those are the acid phosphate breakdown phosphate esters to monophosphate, means for the breaking down of the molecules. Lipases means it is particular for the lipids breaking down into fragments. Protease means it is also particular for the proteins breakdown into their constituent amino acids. Okay, means most of the enzymes contains lysosomes. The lysosome shows polymorphism in different cell types and even within the single cell. The lysosome present within the cytoplasm like the primary lysosome, secondary lysosome and the residual bodies, like these different varieties are there or different forms are there. Those we called as the polymorphism. So this will be shown in the different types of the cells. Previously, there are two types of the lysosomes, primary and the secondary. The later it will be again three types: phagosomes, residual bodies, autophagic vacuoles. Previously it is considered as only two types are there, primary and the secondary. After that, later it is discovered that different polymorphism is there, different forms are there. Those are vacuoles, phagosomes, residual bodies, like that. So what is meaning of this? That we have to study now. So primary lysosome is formed from endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. Okay, that is the primary lysosome. The enzyme of the primary lysosome are synthesized by the ribosomes. It can secrete the enzyme outside the cell or store them. So primary lysosome originated from the ER or the Golgi complex. So the ER contains the ribosome. Ribosome, the enzymes present in the ribosome that will be goes towards the primary lysosome. Okay, then phagosome is formed by phagocytosis. We studied the phagocytosis, pinocytosis. So the meaning of this cell eating, cell drinking. When the particles or the molecules will be eaten by the cell, then it is a phagocytosis. Pinocytosis means cell drinking. When the fluid matrix enters within the cell, then it is the pinocytosis. So phagosome referred with the foreign particle eating, okay, foreign material. The phagosome associates with the primary lysosome and undergoes fusion to form a secondary lysosome. When primary lysosome eats the foreign particle like the bacteria, virus or any other phosphatase like these, then it forms the secondary lysosome that we call. Residual body means what? It is the final particle containing indigestible material. So the end product of the lysosome, primary, secondary, residual, phagosome, like these are there. Okay, residual is the remaining part of the lysosome. That's we called as, it is the final particle containing indigestible material. It is formed when digestion is incomplete. Means when the digestion is not occurred, it will be as it is within the lysosome, then we called as the residual bodies. The autophagic vacuoles or autophagosomes is a lysosome containing some parts of cell in the process digestion. Means when the digestion is going, some parts will be remain as it is. Okay, that is the some parts of the cells remaining as it is, then we called as the autophagosome or we called as the vacuole. So like this polymorphism occurs within the cell, so that we called as the primary lysosome. Means endoplasmic reticulum is there, ribosome is there, so from that it will be originated. Golgi complex that forms the primary lysosome, like this occurs. In the second form, what will be happens? Phagocytostic vesicle that will be fused with the foreign body, then it forms the residual bodies. So like this will be called as polymorphism in lysosome, that we call as different phases of the lysosome. Okay, if the diagram will ask, you can draw this one or you can draw the first one which I shown, that also you can draw, or you can draw this also. So the lysosome is essentially a bag containing digestive enzymes, that I told, variety of enzymes contained by the lysosome. So it is the bag of the enzymes present in the lysosome. The enzymes may be released within the cell itself or outside the cell. Enzyme released within the cell or it may be outside the cell. So several functions, those we called as extracellular digestion, intracellular digestion, hormone secretion, fertilization, autolysis, chromosomal breaks. These functions will be carried by the lysosome. Extracellular digestion is nothing but the digestion of extracellular matrix is a two-way process involving both extracellular and intracellular digestion. Actually, digestion occurs may be extracellular or intracellular. Extracellular means outside the cell, intracellular means within the cell. The primary lysosome secretes hydrolysis into the extracellular matrix by exocytosis. When the lysosome secrete the hydrolase enzymes, that will be goes outside the cell, that we called as exocytosis, resulting in partial degradation of the matrix. Means when the food particles presents outside the cell, the lysosome secrete the hydrolase enzyme. That hydrolase goes outside the cell through the exocytosis. Then the digestion will be start outside the cell. Okay, that is the extracellular digestion occurred by the lysosome. Partial degradation of the matrix. The incomplete products of digestion are not absorbed into the cell by endocytosis. So their extracellular means perfect digestion will not take place. Incomplete digestion will be occurs there outside the cell. So the breaked molecule will not goes inside the cell through the endocytosis. Digestion is complete in the secondary lysosome. Then secondary lysosome will be finish that work which is incomplete. Extracellular digestion takes place during bone erosion process. Okay, when the bone erosion process takes place in the body, during that extracellular digestion will be happens. Okay, bone breaking will be takes place, bone erosion will be takes place. During that process, extracellular digestion occurs. Means outside the cell, starting process, then it will be enters within the cell, then secondary lysosome will be complete that process. Intracellular means inside the cell. So may involve autophagy and heterophagy. Okay, autophagy means it is intracellular digestion in which enzymes produced by the cell break down molecule and piece of cytoplasmic material from the cell itself. Okay, means what? The enzymes which is produced by the cell that will be plays important role for the breaking down of the food within the cell. Heterophagy means it is the intake of exogenous material into the cell. In case of the autophagy, the self-digestion within the cell. What material present in the cell within the cell? That breaking down will be takes place with the own enzymes. Hetero means outside the material enters within the cell, then the digestion will be happens. Okay, so this is the heterophagy. Fertilization. During fertilization process, acrosome, that we call the giant lysosome of sperm head, ruptures and release enzymes on the surface of the egg. Means what? The sperm contains the head region. In that head region, the acrosome is present. That also contains the enzyme. So that enzyme will be rupture the head means membrane of the egg during fertilization process. Means what? The sperm head contains the enzyme or the lysosome that plays important role for the breaking down of the membrane of the egg. Then a sperm enters within the egg. These enzymes digest the egg membrane and provide way for the entry of sperm nucleus into the egg. That only I told. So the enzyme present in the lysosome will be break down the membrane of the egg. Then sperm will be enters within the egg nucleus. Okay, then fertilization will be takes place like this. So outside the sperms are there, and here egg is there. Okay, single egg and many numbers of the sperm. Only the active sperm will be goes with single active sperm will be goes within the egg by breaking down of the membrane of the egg with the help of lysosome. This is autolysis. Okay, auto means self. Autolysis refers to the digestion of own cells by the lysosome. Means what? The which cells or cell organelles present in the body that is digested by the lysosome. Autolysis occurs during amphibian metamorphosis and insect metamorphosis. So the here also they shown frog. Autolysis takes place by the lysosome. Means in the larva stage how it is, and how the maturation or the metamorphosis takes place, and it forms the adult. Self-digestion of the cells takes place by the lysosome, and it forms the different one. Chromosomal breaks takes place with the help of lysosome. Lysosome contain the enzyme DNase, which attacks the DNA and cause chromosomal breaks and rearrangement. So lysosome contains enzyme known as the DNase that will be break the DNA and cause the rearrangement of the DNA. Thus, release of hydrolysis from lysosome can result in structural abnormality in chromosomes. Means how the normal chromosome is present, that will be breaking down takes place with the help of lysosome. Then structure of the chromosome will be takes place. That is the different structure will be occurs, that we called as the abnormality, or we called as the disease occurred in the cells. That can lead to the cause disease like a cancer. Okay, so cancer or even all diseases is dependent on the DNA and dependent on the gene. If something wrong happens in the gene or DNA, the disease will be occurs, that is the differently. So up to this regarding the structure and function of the lysosome. If questions will be asked for the 5 marks, you have to draw the diagram, write the description and mention the functions. So the which enzymes will be secreted and what this will be do. Okay, so up to this lysosome functions, description and the introduction diagram. So next class we will study the next cell organelles. Okay, thank you.